Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my large mystery bag from Huda Beauty. I am so excited about this. You guys have no idea. I already know what's in here because I did some Instagram reels, so if you want to follow me over on Instagram, then definitely do so. I have it linked below because I've been like having fun doing Instagram reels over there, but I like played with some of the products and tried them on and blah 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 blah. So yeah, really excited about this mystery bag. Like, it's really good and definitely well worth the $89 that I spent. Unfortunately, I have a few of these products, so I was kind of like, meh. But that's okay because that's to be expected when you own a lot of things from a brand. But overall, this is like really good, and I got bag variation number 7, I think. Yeah, number 7 is the variation number, and I'm over the moon about this bag too. Like, I'm about to travel a lot this year, so I can put my makeup in here because I don't have like a really big makeup bag, and this one's so cute. Like, I'm all about this, so I'm really excited. And I do want to apologize about my voice. I've had really bad allergies and I lost my voice yesterday, and now I kind of have it back, but it sounds really bad. Whatever. Anyways, if you guys are as excited as me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already viewing this video, if you would do me the honor, hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so here we go. Let's open her up. And the very first thing that I want to talk about, because I was very interested in it, which is this product here. This is the Wishful Honey Balm, and it's from her like sister brand that is like skincare and whatnot. And I was like, jelly moisturizer, okay, I'll play. And I tried it. It was very like oily type. Like, it felt really oily on my skin. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but I put way too much on my skin. But my foundation still looks like perfect because I put it on before my foundation. Looks good to me. So it smells fantastic too. And it's like this really beautiful color to it, like pearlescent, and smells really good. I can't wait to use this a bunch, and I'm just really happy with the fact that it literally, like, my foundation's not breaking apart. It worked really well with my foundation, so that's a plus. Really happy about this product for sure. Like, stoked, like really happy about it. Another product that I got in here is actually this sponge, the Basic Bee Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. I kept it out because I actually wet it and I used it with my foundation today, and it actually was a really good sponge. Like, the other sponges that I was using, I was kind of like bored with, and brushes just made my foundation look so much better. And using this sponge, I was fairly impressed. Like, it didn't pull up my foundation like the other sponges were doing, so I'm wondering if like sponge quality actually matters, because those sponges were pulling up my foundation off of my face, and that's another like turn off on why I was like, brushes, okay, brushes. But this was actually a really good sponge, and it has like the flat side too for baking. So I was fairly impressed with the sponge. Very good. Also, I got this as a free sample like with every order, and it's the collection 01 of like 4 or so little perfumes that she has. Let me try and open it up and show you. So yeah, we have 4 little perfumes here. We have an elixir, citrus, musk, and vanilla. I mean, they all smell really good. I don't want to like spray them because I'll give myself a headache, because I've had a headache for days now. But anyways, that was a cute little free sample. Love that. Something that I saw, I was just like, what is this? It's a freaking air freshener, but it smells really good. I was just like really confused. Like, why do I have an air freshener in here? But I actually kind of like it. I'm going to stick that in my car. Oh, it says loyalty is royalty. Okay. Oh, I was really excited about this, and I want to put it back on my lips. This is the Diamond Balm, the sparkly lip balm in Negligee. Oh my goodness. I was so in love with this when I stuck this on my lips. Plus, I've always wanted one because they're really pretty. So here's the packaging. So cute. Again, if you want to see these products in action, I will have it on my Instagram reels eventually. I don't know when I'm going to put it up there, but it'll be up there in the next couple days. But look how sparkly and beautiful this lipstick is, and it feels so good on the lips. Hold on. I really like this. a lot. I really like the silk one that she has, the silk balm. That one's really good too, but I love this too. Next up we have something else, obviously from Huda. This is the Ritzy shade of the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe, which is like a very like boom in your face, shimmery kind of color, kind of like a metallic. I put this on too, and it was definitely, it was something, okay? It was something. Like, if you sheer it out, it's really, really beautiful, but, like, if it's, like, really opaque and, like, packed on the lips, it's definitely a crazy color. It's so light, but if you sheer it out, it does look really, really beautiful. So, if you got this shade, don't be alarmed. You can definitely sheer it out, and it'll look really, really pretty. I tried to wipe that swatch away, and I got old lipstick on it from earlier. Whoopsie daisy. Okay, next product I'm very disappointed in, only because it's not going to work for my skin tone. So this is the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. I'll definitely be putting this on my Poshmark. I'll have it linked below if you guys want to go shop my closet. I put lots of stuff up there that I like review, and then I'm like, okay, well, it's one and done, I'll sell it for cheaper. And you can also sign up to Poshmark and use referral Connor Christine, get a $10 credit to shop, so that saves you 10 bucks. But this is the colors. It's not gonna work, but it's so beautiful. Like, somebody is going to love this palette, for whoever it can work for. So yeah, I'm gonna add this to my Poshmark. So I'll go ahead and just stick this behind me so I can do that when the video is done. Next up, we have this little product here. This is the Huda Life Liner. So you got a liquid side and a pencil side. And I tried the pencil side today on my lower lash line. It worked really well. I don't know if I'm going to be like the biggest fan of the actual liquid liner, just because I don't really care for like liquid liners like this, though I do use an e.l.f. one every single time that I do any kind of multiple eyeshadow look videos where I'm like doing several looks in one video, because it's so easy to wipe off. Now this one I couldn't use for that because it took me a hot minute to get both of these swatches off the back of my hand for the reel that I did. Like, I still have some swatch on the back of my hand from this morning that wouldn't come off. So this has some lasting power, let me tell you, because it would not come off. But you guys know what a black liner looks like. It's good. It's fine. It looks good. Last product I'm also a little disappointed about, but then again, I own like everything, so like, you know, whatever. But this is the Huda Rose Gold Remastered palette. A beautiful palette. I recently did a look on it for, actually last month, because this came in the BoxyCharm Glam Bag X for February. So if you don't know what the palette looks like, this is it. Very, very beautiful. I even keep the little insert card in here because I love it so much. And these are the shades. Really, really beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. And I'm going to put this on my Poshmark too, because, I mean, I don't need two of them. So, yeah, that's everything that I got in this mystery bag, and I'm so happy with it. Like, you have no idea. You can also save 15% off your next purchase. Offer ends April 30th if you use code FAVORITES. So, that's good. Really, really excited about this bag. It's like so cute. I love it. But anyways, that's everything that I got. I'm thoroughly happy with everything, even though I got something I can't use and a repeat item. Like, if you were somebody that's never tried Huda and this is the mystery bag you got, you are going to be over the moon, okay? One of my friends actually said she got one, and she told me that she got the Huda Mercury Retrograde palette in hers. Let me show you. I have this one as well. I love this palette. It is so good. Now, honestly, I was like holding out, like fingers crossed, that the Naughty one would be in here, like the newest palette, but obviously doubt it because it's such a new palette, because I didn't buy it, and like it's just not, there's no point in me wanting to buy it now. Now that it's been out for a while, and like, you know, I do a video on it, but like nobody would care to watch it. So if I got it in a mystery bag, I'd be like, yes, but I'm not gonna go to my way and buy it. But I was really hoping for that, but that's okay. Anyways, let me know your thoughts and opinions. Did you get this? Did you get the same things as me? Are you missing out? I did post on my community tab that they were on sale. The last one that I got was really good. I think they do this like once or twice a year. Pretty sure it's twice a year. I think so. But this one was really good. Really good. Really happy with it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!